Okay, guys, it is late at night, and I'm going to show you how to upload a video to LBRY. Now, I'm assuming basically you already have a YouTube channel, and I'm sorry I'm not looking right at the camera. I have to look down. My camera's up here, and I have to look down at the screen. So, basically, you're going to go to your video manager. I'm going to tell you right now, you need to back up every single video that you have, because you may need to at some point move to another platform. I'm telling you, YouTube right now is going to start demonetizing videos more and more and more and more, and as advertising gets longer and longer, people are going to get more and more frustrated. So every time I've added a video now with LBRY Library, which is what this video is about, Library is alternative to YouTube. Every time I upload a video, guess what? Not suitable for advertisers. In other words, we are not going to let you make money on these videos. In other words, we're trying to discourage you from making it. But I'm going to do it anyway because the library is awesome. Okay, so you're going to want to go to your video manager under, well, find your video manager, basically. Go ahead. I would strongly suggest that you download every single video that you have. Go to the download them all. You need to have them saved. Save your videos, because if something goes wrong, you want ownership of your own videos, okay? So I've already done that. I've done my downloads, and now I'm going to move away from YouTube, and I'm uploading to both YouTube now and to LBRY. And if you don't know what LBRY is, LBRY, sorry, it is an alternative to YouTube. Do a search on LBRY.io on YouTube. It's an application that is based on LBRY coins, and it basically is going to replace YouTube. And you'll be able to make all the money instead of only half the money or less based on YouTube, and they can't ban you and all that stuff. That's what this video is about. So we're going to make a video. We're going to publish a video. I don't want to talk about LBRY, what it is. I've already done that. Look it up. So we're going to go to Publish. Once you have the app installed, I'm not going to talk about that either, LBRY, you're going to install the app, go to Google, and you're going to go to Publish, and then I'm going to pick a file. What am I publishing? Well, some of the video I did. I already made this video. I own it. I own it all. It's mine. So I'm going to go to Cursed UKITs. This is a ham radio video that I did. And I'm going to take the very video that I did down here, Cursed. I am going to take the copy from the header that I already wrote. You do not want to duplicate work. Cursed UKITs, okay? Now I'm going to copy my description, which I worked hard on. I've got all my keywords in there and stuff. Description goes here. Now, I strongly recommend you do not upload videos to LBRY without a thumbnail. It's so easy to do. You might think, oh, who needs a thumbnail? It's very important, because you do not want to click on a random nothingness. You want to see something about your video. So I'm going to take the thumbnail, download image. See this? Now you can right click on most of these images. Most times you can right click on an image in your videos. I'm going to go ahead and show you. If you take any image, you can right click and save image as, and it will grab that little image that you have. But I'm going to go ahead and go to my video, edit. I could right click right there, but I'm going to go ahead and go here. I'm going to hover over it and download the image. Download. Alright, it went to my downloads folder. I just clicked on it and it just went to my downloads folder. Okay, you're going to go to Speed.ch. I know this seems like, why are you opening all these different things? This little site, SPE.ch, is very nice for publishing very quick icons for your video, and you really need to do this somehow. You need your image out there on the internet somewhere so you can reference it. This is an easy way to do it. So I downloaded that video. I go to my downloads. There it is right there. Guess what? All you have to do is drag and drop it. Now it's right there. Give it a title. Uh-oh, it's already been named. This name has already been claimed by another user. No problem. All you have to do is give your video another name. Oops. This is kind of a problem because where's speech? So I don't know what happened, but I'm gonna open speech up again, spe.ch. I know this is a pain, I get it, it's a pain. It's very important though. That's the way this works. You can't just upload, it has to be somewhere. It has to be somewhere on the internet and you just reference it with text. That's why it's here. You reference everything with text and it's over here and you can even change that image out. So you actually have more power over it. So be patient. I'm going to drag this image over, which is the same one. It's got a little 1 by it. And see, it's got a little check mark here on spee.ch. That means I'm good. I'm going to call it radio. It doesn't matter. Hit publish. This lovely site publishes your video somewhere, somehow. I don't even know. You're going to copy the permanent long link because the long link is going to be faster because it does not have to do some kind of resolving of the short link. So copy this, copy the long link, paste it here, back in your wallet. I know that was a long process. You'll get fast at it though. Don't worry about it. Come down. This video, I'm going to make it free. Why not? I'm a nice guy. My channel name. Now, I'm not going to go into detail about your channel name, but you can pretty much at this point pick whatever channel you want. I've already chosen 3 different channel names based on things that I load videos on. Anything with wheels, my YouTube channel name. Missouri, a lot of videos I make are about Missouri, and ham radio. A lot of videos I make are about ham radio. So I'm going to do ham radio, and then when you first do a channel name, it kind of makes you pick a sort of a bid process. So you don't actually lose the money when you bid, but it kind of like sets the standard for this name is worth this much. It will decrement the amount of coins you have up here, but you don't actually lose those coins. You can always release your name and get your coins back. Do you see? You do not lose those coins. You kind of reserve them. It's like an escrow account. They're like, I think this channel name is worth this. I'm going to bid this. And it will deduct them from you, but they're not permanently lost. You can release the name and get your coins back. Okay, so I'm ham radio, and it automatically put this really terrible long name in it. And I'm just going to call it Cursed Radio. This name, which is unused, is probably not the best name in the world. I probably could just choose radio, and that would be better, but I want something a little more descriptive. I think things are going to be different in the future, so I'm going to put Cursed Radio for now. And once again, you're bidding on the name of the video. This video is not that great. I'm just going to drop this down to 0.1. You know, 0.1 is not worth that much. I'm not saying you should use that amount, but it's not, 10 coins is worth a lot more than 0.1, so I'm going to use 0.1. I'm going to agree, and just so you're aware, this process usually goes a lot faster than what I just did. I can usually pop this off a lot faster, but I'm telling you and showing you everything. So my channel is Ham Radio. My name is Cursed Radio. No one's really going to type that in at this point, but that's kind of more descriptive than anything else. I've got my full description, I've got my title, I've got my link. Do not upload a video without a thumbnail. I've already talked about that, but don't do it. Alright, publish. I'm going to be published, and guess what? It's that easy. Now, this might be a little more technical than you want, but there is an API. That means an application programmer interface that you can code that will literally allow you to write code that will upload videos. If you have a list of like 100 videos and you have the descriptions and everything ready to go, you can actually automate this process and just have them load, 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 load. You can do so much with this. I'm telling you, the potential for LBRY is gigantic. I'm so excited about it. My videos now are going to go both ways, YouTube and on here. I'm going to charge for half of them. I'm not going to charge for other half. I don't even care. I'm just going to kind of make a decision based on what I think they're worth. You want to watch them for free? Great. If you don't want to watch them for a nickel, then great. Whatever. It doesn't matter. I'm just going to upload. Okay, I'm starting to ramble now. These are the videos I've already uploaded. Let's kind of see how these show up. All right, losing weight after 40. By the way, I'm still on this process right now. I'm losing a lot of weight. Not to get into that, but let's watch what happens. If I go to the home page, by the way, this home page is poorly written. It's a known issue, but this page is very static. It's the same every day. It's kind of boring and all. But watch this. Losing weight. Guess what? My video is #1 at losing weight. Anyone types in losing weight in LBRY, my video is #1. Try doing that in YouTube. And I know it may not stay there, and I know it will fall in ranks and so forth, and it may not even deserve to be there, and that's fine. But that's the way it's working right now, and that's pretty cool. If we go to another video of mine, let's just type in, how about this? Ham radio. This is kind of, when you do the @ sign, you kind of got like a username. Guess what? I'm the first ham radio guy. And the reason I have only one video here is because the one I just uploaded that I showed you has not had time to get in the system yet. It takes probably, I don't know, 10, 15 minutes to get in the system. By tomorrow morning, you type in ham radio, that video I just uploaded will be up there. I am blown away by how cool this is. I'm so excited. Sorry to bug you. Had to get this out there. Super excited. Get LBRY. My entire channel is going to be on LBRY, but it's going to take me a long time. I have like 270 videos, almost 300 videos, and I'm uploading like 3 a day, 3 or 4 a day. I just don't have that much time to get them all up there, and I don't have a way to automate it. I'm still kind of trying to figure out the username system and all, but right now I have 3 usernames. Anything with wheels, ham radio, and losing weight, or something like that. All right.